Topic 17. My favorite season. My favorite season is the rainy season because the weather is cool, fresh, and relaxing. I enjoy this season very much because it makes the environment green and beautiful. The rain gives life to plants, trees, and flowers. During the rainy season, the sky is often cloudy and the air feels cool. I like listening to the sound of rain falling on the roof. It makes me feel calm and peaceful. Sometimes I sit by the window and watch the rain while thinking quietly. The rainy season is also good for farmers because it helps their crops grow well. The fields become green and everything looks fresh and alive. I feel happy when I see nature become more beautiful. Even though it rains a lot, I still enjoy this season. I carry an umbrella when I go outside, and I wear a raincoat to stay dry. Sometimes I play in the rain with my friends, and it is very fun. At home, I like to relax, drink something warm, and listen to soft music while it rains. The rainy season gives me a peaceful feeling that I really enjoy. I believe every season is special, but the rainy season is my favorite because it brings calmness, freshness, and beauty to the world.